All right, are you an aluminum welder? Have you ever welded aluminum? I have tried, and let me tell you, you better be pretty darn good. So the one thing I do use a lot when it comes time to welding aluminum is low temp aluminum welding rods, or sometimes better known as alumaloy rod. And what makes these rods so unique is that you can weld aluminum using something as simple as just a regular hand propane torch. But today I'm going to show you how awesome these are using an aluminum can. Let's get started. All right, so what we have here is just a regular aluminum can, nothing special. I am going to put it on this vise though, just to kind of keep it held. And I'm going to stab a hole back here. And I'm just going to demonstrate how you can fill in a hole with this stuff. Now you always want to prep the surface with a stainless steel brush. And I'm just going to brush it here really good, really score it up. Then I'm going to turn on my propane torch and I'm going to have it at a low heat. And the secret is you want to be patient with this stuff. You want to heat up that part very slowly and you want the part to melt the rod. Now once you start noticing that the part is melting the rod, I'm going to just kind of keep the heat on it to maintain the heat. And this is how it'll fill in. This stuff works absolutely amazing. It does take practice, I will tell you that. Now, you want to let it cool off naturally. And I'm going to show you how strong this stuff actually is. I'm going to take a screwdriver. I'm going to try to stab a hole through this thing. I end up crushing the can. As you can see, getting a hole poked into that part ain't happening. It's actually pretty strong stuff. All right, and let me show you the inside. That's what, the other side looks like. That ain't coming off. All right, so not only can you fill in holes, but we're gonna try to weld two cans back to back. Now, I already brushed the mating surface. I'm brushing the top here a little bit. Again, low heat. Now this part is a little tricky because that base is thicker than the rest of the can. So without burning a hole on the side of the can, we're gonna try to do this. There we are. We're just gonna let that part melt the rod and that'll work itself right in there. Again, let it cool off. You don't want to speed up the cooling by adding water to this. All right, now once it cools off, that ain't coming apart, brother. That is a solid, I don't want to say weld, right? Because you're theoretically not welding. It's like soldering on steroids, if you will. But it's a legit repair. It really works, and it does an awesome job. Guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you would please, if you're enjoying the content that we're putting out, hit the follow button, like, share it, comment, let me know what you think. Until next time, we'll see you.